Hey, it's Dan McDonald here. Join us June 21st, 22nd, and 23rd for the Global Juice Cleanse Initiative to promote harmony. Today I'm doing the Rainbow Juice Cleanse Challenge. So if you want to complete the challenge, it's a gallon of rainbow colored juices that we got for a photo shoot. And so I decided to make a video. So if you want to do the Juice Cleanse Challenge, just tag me in the video or something like that. So I've already drank one watermelon juice to get through about like an hour-long photo shoot for the Instagram. So let's do the Juice Cleanse Challenge starting right now. Are you ready? Okay, let's start with this side over here. Sit with me for a minute because it might take me a minute. I didn't really set a time limit on this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm already full. Thankfully, I don't have as big an ego as I did, or I'd probably drink all this and kill myself. But let's see what happens here, folks. Maybe I can give myself a few minutes, because Tavis and I do sit here, and we will drink a gallon of juice each, but usually within like an hour or two, and sit here, and all of our friends come and go here at the Kauai Juice Co. If you haven't been to the Kauai Juice Co., you're missing out. Now don't go crazy, okay, folks? I don't really recommend this kind of craziness, but then again, hey, there's a lot of people that will eat like 100 eggs or 100 Reese's peanut butter cups or like 20 cheeseburgers, you know. I'm gonna go to the gym right after this, and I've been super active all day. So this is obviously not like a health practice, okay? This is as far as I'm gonna go with like any kind of food challenge. You know, as far as like those big piles of food and stuff like that, I don't even know how those dudes survive, you know? But anyhow, usually a healthy serving is about 32 ounces. And for someone who's like maybe 180 and above, it's maybe even like a half a gallon of juice, or like 64 ounces is, so I'll tell you what the juices are. So 64 ounces, if you're really like about to go hit it hard, and then you're gonna do some exercise and stuff, like I'll drink like 64 ounces of orange juice or something like that. But a real serving is about 32 ounces, which is about like this, okay? So anyways, this one was, okay, so the first one was beet, carrot, pineapple, kale, chard, blueberry, and lemon. And the second one was just plain watermelon. And the third one is Blue Magic, which is an algae derivative. It's good for the brain. Coconut water, pineapple, and chia seed. Oh, Lord have mercy. Should have done the chia seeds last. Chloe thinks I'm nuts, but she loves me. Okay.
Love it. Well, I hope you guys have fun. Maybe I'll get to see you on Monday.
No, this is really fun, actually. And so I'm starting to begin to believe that there is a theoretical possibility here that the Rainbow Juice Challenge is going to get completed. We might be here till midnight, but I'm going to do it. I should have said like maybe in 10 minutes, okay? And this is the green bottle, which is my go-to here at Kauai Juice Co. And that's pineapple, cucumber, kale, cilantro, and lemon. So try that. So this is really epic here. The green bottle, and then the other one that I like is the liver cure. And I can't remember exactly what's in that. Cucumber, burdock, a couple other things. It's 4 ingredients, I know that. Anyways, come to Kauai Juice Co. to find out. They always use my photos here. We did a photo thing right here, and it lasted about an hour. So I'm just sitting here with everybody, and they're going in and out, all my friends and stuff. And took a few photos. So, but they love me because they always use my photos on their Instagram feed. Because Tavis and I sit here every time he comes, and we sit for like an hour or two in the chairs, and we just have a good time. So, and we'll just drink like gallons and gallons of juice. So here we go. Wow. Sugar, 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 baby. The good kind. The good kind. Okay, it's 6 minutes in, so that means I got 4 minutes to finish this thing. Just because I decided in the middle, well, I'm going to give myself 10 minutes. So I better soldier up. I wish I could stand up and do some jumping jacks or something. Go to the bathroom, do some yoga, and then come back and drink another one. This is the Daily Wellness. I think this is ginger, turmeric, and orange. It doesn't really say on the lid though. Oh, Lord have mercy. Because that's about usually, that right there is 64 ounces. And that I'll drink like within like 10 or 15 minutes. So I'm about to the max. And then that would digest for me in like 15, 20 minutes. And I'll be good to go for hours. You know what I'm saying? If I did that with orange juice, or even sometimes I'll drink like 64 ounces of lemon ginger blast and blast like a couple scoopfuls of enzymes and then just go all day. Can you dig it? Okay, let's do it. Whoa, dude. That one has a lot of ginger. I don't know how those competitive eaters do it, man. Oh. But I know that they go through a lot of discomfort. I'm at the top. I'm at the top right now. Oh, Lord have mercy. It's for real. I don't believe in doing dumb stuff like this. Okay? This is my first and last attempt at the Rainbow Juice Cleanse. Yeah, because I really don't want to. Wow. Wow. I'm just not a fan of doing things that are not like really in alignment with the highest levels of health. I've seen these dudes do crazy stuff, and they still do it. It's their job to eat like Matt Stoney, 100 Oreo cookies or something, or 100 Reese's peanut butter cups. I'd rather do this, to tell you the truth, because I might be uncomfortable for maybe half an hour or an hour at most after I finish this. Okay, soldier up, soldier. She's rooting for me now. First she said, "You're nuts," you know? Now she's like, "You might even do it, son." Chloe, it's a sad day here, but you guys, oh, I got it. I mean, the thing is it would have been cool to be able to do it. But I am seriously.
No, you have to finish.
I have to finish? Okay, just give me a minute then. Because I'm like right on the edge. I know everyone's like, why do you do this, Dan? This is stupid. Other people are like, oh my God, I'm mildly amused.
Just take your time.
Because I don't puke. You know, I mean, I did a few times in my younger days when I was an alcoholic. You know, I definitely vomited. If I could just take a minute. I'm sorry I didn't make the 10-minute mark. I should have given myself a half an hour. Because if I just sit here for a minute, it's going to be no problem. But I'm telling you, for a second there, I was definitely feeling it. So, oh, I got this. And then the bathroom's over there. Okay, this one. Oh, sorry, this was the Orange Crush, carrot, pineapple, turmeric. I'm not passing out yet. But I really wouldn't recommend it. I really wouldn't recommend it, but God is good. Hey, bro. Join me. June 21st, 22nd, 23rd. It is going to be a long, cold day in hell before you ever see me do anything like this again. Although I'm going to be fine in like 20 minutes or so because I'm going to go for a walk. I'm going to have to go lay on the grass. Thank God we're done working. I love you guys. DTM is out. There's my boy Finn right there. I got so many friends and family. I love you guys. I think I'm hallucinating for too many juices, but I really do care for you all so very much. This world, yeah, God bless us all. So thanks for having fun with me today, and I'll see you on the next video.